Hello everyone, today I am going to make a sweet dish which will take just 10 minutes. It's so yummy and it's healthy, as well as I am going to substitute sugar with jaggery. Please make this at home and enjoy with your family. First I am going to add 2 spoon ghee in the pan, and I am going to fry some dry fruits until it is golden brown. So friends, whenever we add dry fruits to the sweet, it will enhance the taste more. So I am frying some cashews and almonds, and then I will keep it aside as I am going to add the dry fruits at the end. Now in the same pan, I will add some more ghee and fry some semolina or rava. So I will keep frying it until it is golden brown and gives a nice aroma. Friends, you can use oil or butter instead of ghee, whatever you have at home. However, I recommend the ghee to fry the semolina, as ghee gives that nice aroma to dish. So see friends, I am frying the semolina very nicely in ghee. And the color has already changed, and also it's stated to give nice aroma. Now I am going to add here some water. We need to add enough water so that the semolina gets cooked nicely in the water. I am also going to make sure that there is no lump in the semolina, so I am going to stir it nicely with the help of a smasher. If there is any lump, then the rava isn't going to taste nice. So make sure you mix the water and semolina very nicely to avoid a lump. Then keep cooking until the semolina boiled nicely. I am going to cover it with a lid and keep the gas in low flame for 2 minutes. Now I am going to add here some jaggery for the sweetener. So you need to add enough jaggery because this dish is supposed to be very sweet and aromatic, so instead of jaggery, you can use sugar if you wish. But I prefer jaggery whenever I make sweet dish for my family, because it is healthier, and now I am going to let the jaggery melt, so it will take some time, like 5 minutes, for the jaggery to melt. If you wish, you can add jaggery powder, which will be mixed quickly. Now friends, for the color, I am going to add pinch of turmeric powder. You may use food color if you have. I add turmeric powder, then food color. Now mix it nicely so thaw the turmeric mixed thoroughly in the semolina. Now I am going to add here half a teaspoon of pineapple flavor essence, because it will give nice aroma to the semolina. You may use other flavoring essence like vanilla or strawberry, etc. Now mix everything very nicely and let it cook for 2 minutes. So friends, we all have sweet tooth and feel like eating something sweet once in a while, so it is always better to make it home than to eat outside, because outside ingredients may not be of good quality. So I always prefer to make it home for me and my family. And I look to make it as healthy as possible while keeping in mind the taste of the dish, because health and taste both are important. So friends, this semolina sweet is very old dish, you're very popular among Indians, because during festival it is must to make sweets at home. We make various kind of sweets at home during festivals. And few years back, when our grandmother used to make sweets, it was all jaggery, and all healthier version sugar was not there at that time, so the sweet was more tasty and healthy. But nowadays most people use sugar, and it is not a good option for making sweets. So friends, please don't forget to like and comment how do you find my dishes. The more you comment, the more I am going to make healthy and tasty recipes and upload here on my channel. And please let me also know if you would like any specific recipe. I will happy to make the recipe for you. Cooking is my passion. I like to try new recipe, and I also make different traditional recipes from various parts of country. So thank you everyone for visiting my channel and like my videos. I appreciate everyone's support. So please make this semolina sweet recipe for your family, and everyone will thank you for it. It is very simple and yet very delicious. Thank you again. See you soon with another interesting recipe.